Today we're going to discuss about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft, and it is widely used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite alongside other tools like Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So as you can see in the screen, we have here our select new blank workbook to start. So I'm just going to double click this icon to select a blank workbook and open it up. So next, this is the picture of our sheet or worksheet or spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is consist of a grid or rows and columns where rows are numbered and columns are labeled with letter. The intersection of a row and column forms as a cell and identified a unique by its reference. So as you can see also in the screen, we have here the file, home, WPS, and so on. That is called tab. So let's discuss about home tab.
Clipboard group. So sa clipboard group, merong cut, copy, paste, format, painter. Sa cut, it removes selected data and places it on the clipboard. Copy copies the selected data to the clipboard. Paste, insert the clipboard content into the selected cells. Format painter copies formatting from one part of your sheet to another. Font group. Font style and size. Change the font style, e.g. Arial, and size of text. Bold, italic, underline, apply basic text formatting. Font color. It changed text color. Fill color. Add a background color to cells. Borders. Add or customize cells borders. Alignment group. Text alignment. Align text horizontally, left, center, right, or vertically, top, middle, bottom, within a cell. Indentation. Increase or decrease the indentation of text within cells. Wrap text. Fit text within a cell by wrapping it to multiple lines. Merge and center. Combine selected cells into one larger cell and center the content. Number group. Number formatting. Apply formatting such as general, currency, percentage, date, time, etc. Increase, decrease, decimal. Adjust the number of decimal places displayed. Styles group. Conditional formatting highlights cells based on specific criteria. Format as table. Quickly format a range of cells as a table with pre-designed styles. Cell styles apply predefined styles to cells for consistent formatting. Cells group, insert, delete, format. Sa insert, merong add new rows and columns or cells. Sa delete naman, merong remove rows, column, or cells. Format, change row, height, column width, cells protection, or cells visibility. Editing group, AutoSum, quickly calculate totals for a range of numbers. Fill, copy data or patterns into adjacent cells. Clear, remove all or specific types of content from cells, e.g. formats, contents, or comments. Sort and filter, organize data by sorting or applying filters. Find and select, search for specific data, go to particular cells, or replace content.
WPS or PDF tab. So number one is create PDF. Allows creating a PDF from other documents or formats. Number two is convert PDF. Includes options to convert PDFs to Word, Excel, images, or other formats. Number three is the PDF or merge. Tools for splitting a PDF document is into a smaller parts of merging multiple PDF into one. Number four is the compress PDF, reduce the file of PDF document. Number five is the PDF to Word, Excel, or image to other, enables to format conversion for editing compatibility purposes. Number six is the optical character recognition. Extracts text from images or scanned documents in the PDF format. The tab simplifies managing PDFs directly within the WPS Office suite for combining essential PDF tools into one workspace. Let let me know if you are like the detailed guidance on using these tools. Pivot tab summarize and analyze data by creating a pivot tabs, which allows to recognize and group data dynamically. Table convert and arrange the data structured table with a formatting and filters. So the illustrating group pictures insert images and computer into the worksheet. Online pictures insert images online resources requires the internet access. So the shapes is add a various and like arrows, circles, rectangles, or custom shapes for diagrams and highlighting areas. So the icons insert a predefined icons from Excel library. And smart smart art is create a diagrams to represent process, hierarchies, and relationships visually and 3D models and interactive 3D models available in newer versions. So the screenshots take a screenshot of an of open windows or screen region and insert it into the sheet. So and add ins group add its groups access and install the external tools and functionalities to enhance Excel capabilities. So let's start with charts and groups. Recommended charts get suggestions for charts based on the selected data. Chart types insert specified chart types such as column, bar, line, pie, and areas charts. Scatter, bubble, combo, in radar charts. Waterfall and funnel charts in a newer versions. Spark lines and small inline charts with cells to show trends for a data range. Let's start with links groups. Hyperlinks and hyperlinks to Excel or objects that link to the website, files, or specific locations within the workbook. So let's tackle the text group, text box. So first is the text box. Add a text box for custom text placement, header and footer, and header and footers and to the sheet useful for printing purposes, word art, insert stylize text for decorative purposes. Symbolize groups, equation. First it is first is the equation. Insert mathematical equations or create your own. Number two is symbol. Add special characters or symbol that are not available on the keyboard. Fiddlers and other tools. Slicer is insert slicers to the filter the insert slicer to filter data in pivot tables and tables visually. Last is the timeline and add a timeline to filter data in pivot tables.
Page layout tab. News group. Apply predefined set of fonts, colors, and effect to give your spreadsheet and a consistent and professional look. Colors. Customize or choose a color palette for your workbook. Fonts. Change the font style and size used throughout the workbook. Effects. Select visual effect for charts, shapes, and other objects. Page setup group. Margins. Adjust the spacing between the content and the edge of the page, normal, narrow, wide, or custom settings. Orientation. Set the page layout to portrait vertically. Set the page layout to portrait vertical and landscape mode to automatic manual or automatic except for data tables. Calculate now. Recalculate all formulas in the workbook immediately. Calculate sheet. Recalculate formulas only in the current worksheet.
Data tab. The data tab is used for importing, organizing, and analyzing data. It has several groups with specific functionalities, like get and transform data, is sort and filter group, outline group, data tools group, and forecast group. The number one is get and transform data or Power Query. This allows you to import data from various sources like database, web files, or other worksheets. You can manipulate the data using queries and connections to prepare and transform it before loading it into your worksheet. Number two is sort and filter group. This group is used for organizing data by sorting it in ascending or descending order based on a specific criteria. It also allows advanced filtering for more complex data organizations. Outline group. This helps with grouping and summarizing data. For example, you can collapse or expand rows, remove groupings, or automatically calculate subtotals and grand totals. Data tools group. This group includes tools for validating and organizing data. You can split data into multiple columns using delimiters or commas, combine data from multiple sources, or find and remove duplicates. And for forecast group, this is used for predicting analysis by creating future trends based on historical data. For example, you can forecast sales trends for the next month using existing data. Analyze group. This group allows you to link different tables by creating relationships, which is useful for advanced analysis like creating pivot tables. Next is Review tab. The Review tab focuses on checking and protecting your workbook. It, it groups include proofing group, language group, comments group, pro- protect group, notes group. The number one is proofing group. This is used to check spelling, find synonyms, and improve accessibility. It ensures your workbook is error free and user friendly. Language group. This allows you to translate text into other language directly within Excel. Comments group. This group helps you to add comments to cells, which is useful for collaboration. You can also navigate and manage comment across to workbook. Protect group. This is for security in workbook. You can restrict access, set passwords, and define editing permission to prevent unauthorized changes. And for the last is notes group. This is for adding notes to your worksheet such as reminders or instruction.